Today, the Training Center Yorktown Engineering and Weapons Branch is going to show you how to install a Crimp type connector. What you will need for this are safety glasses, cable, wire strippers, proper size crimper, scissors, ruler, and a connector kit. First, inventory your connector kit. You should have the main body, the center pin, and the ferrule. Before stripping the insulation of the coax cable, slide the ferrule onto the cable. Now measure 5/8 of an inch down from the top of the cable and strip the outer jacket of the cable. Using your fingers, flare the shielding down and around the outer jacket. Measure 7/16 of an inch from the outer jacket to the end of the dielectric and strip. Dry fit the center pin, ensuring there is no space between the base of the pin and the dielectric. If there's any excess, trim it. Position the center pin, ensuring it touches the dielectric and crimp. Slide the main body on until it locks into place. You may hear it click. Fold the metallic shielding to the main body and trim shielding so that it is no longer than the neck of the connector body. Bring ferrule to the body and crimp into place. Now test your connector with a pull test and a continuity test. For written instructions on how to perform this task, plus additional connector types, please refer to the Standard Maintenance Practices Miniature Micro-Miniature Electronic Assembly Repair Manual.